And in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, go to About Phone then, and here click on All Specification. Here you will notice New Version, so just tap on it 7 times, and that's it. From now on, you're a developer. Let me go back, and from now on, you can find developer options under Additional Settings. Just open it here, and now you can reach developer options smoothly. So you can use all the features, all the options here smoothly, enable by using the switchers. And here you've got it. To switch the developer panel off, just use the stop switcher to switch it off, and as you can see, it's no longer active. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.